Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. How are you all doing today? I hope you're feeling good. I hope you're looking good. I hope you're feeling irie because we have another mini pick a card reading for you today, but it's still going to be jam packed, okay? And the question we are exploring are channeled messages from your person, okay? So let's get into it.
Walk on guarantee. T-Sippers, walk on guarantee. T-Sippers, walk on guarantee. Welcome, welcome, welcome T-Sippers, yeah.
Great. So I hope you've got some nice snacks or juice as we gather these intuitive, juicy gems, okay? In this mini picker card, and we're looking at channeled messages from your person. Now, wanted to test this pile out. It's a new deck that I've created, and it's got physical characteristics. It's also got some kind of like cheeky things that they may notice or observe that you like or you may admire about them, okay? So we're going to use this deck as well in our read today, but we have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, okay? Go to that number that's calling you, okay? As we gather these intuitive gems, we're going to be bringing in this good energy, okay? So thank you, universe. Thank you, spirit guides. Thank you, guardian angels. Thank you, ancestors, for the messages we're about to receive today. May the messages and this new deck that we're going to use allow these messages to resonate with the collective, so they can use these messages to strengthen their own intuition and to use their discernment every time. Thank you. All right, so we've got pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. Okay, so go to that number that's calling you, and I will see you on the other side. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile 1, and this is the mini picker card that we're looking into today. Channeled messages from your person. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot and Tea. All right, let's get into it. And do have a look on the live tab for the Summer of Love readings that are available every Sunday, UK 6 p.m. time, okay? Every Sunday for the rest of the summer period, okay? So, channeled messages from your person. So we have someone who could be still going through their healing. There could have been a separation. Okay, this person may want to communicate how they feel. Perhaps there's been some time apart from each other and they want to come towards you. Okay, and I feel like it's also coming towards you in a more in a like kind of like in a more healed fashion, or fit, or taking some time to kind of do that inner work. Okay, it could also be somebody who still feels heartbroken or still feels like a sadness or a loss from your separation. There could have also been some kind of third party issue here as well. Okay, and that could have also impacted on the level of trust for this person. Okay, so we're gonna pull out a Jamaican proverb. Let's see what wants to come out from the Jamaican proverbs regarding why is the Three of Swords here. So channeled messages from your person. What do they want you to know right now? What do they want you to know? So the message we have here, look, competition and jealousy. There was some competition and jealousy going on here. Crab in a barrel, climb upon one another. crab in a barrel climb upon one another. And this is the message of like the idea that you have crabs all trying to get to the top, okay, pushing each other down. And look what's going on here with the Three of Swords. There could have been an energy of someone being dishonest. It could have been maybe, I'm getting the song, I'm rising to the top, give it all you got. Okay, I feel like that could have been that energy of like not fair partnership, or almost it's like you competing for one another's time, and that could have also impacted on the relationship or not prioritizing time. Okay, I feel like there could have also been like some friends or naysayers or that were may not have had good intentions as well around the union. Okay, so we're going to look at some, let's pull out this deck first. Okay, so this deck has lots of messages of like physical characteristics to help you to know who this person is. So as it's channeled messages, we want to see what wants to come out from these channeled messages to help you to know who this person is that is coming through in the read. Okay, thank you. So we have glasses. They could wear glasses. We have wavy hair. We have curly hair. Okay, we have a goatee beard. Okay, we have eyes that seem to hold the secrets of the universe. Okay, let's see what else wants to come through. Ooh, we have green eyes. So they could have green eyes. Okay, what else? They could be fit. They could be like slim, or like slim body. We have youthful. Okay, a smile that reaches his eyes, showing true happiness. Hands that move with grace and purpose. Okay, what else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? We have brown eyes. Okay. What else do they want you to know to help you to know who this person is? Okay, we have, let's have a look. We have ombre hair. So perhaps it could be you may have ombre hair. They may have ombre hair or highlights. We have, I see you look, I see you looking at me, and I know you're drawn to my strong, broad shoulders that gives you a sense of protection. Freckles, okay? We have sparkling eyes that reflect his sense of wonder. We have expressive eyebrows that convey a range of emotions. Okay, we have captivating laughter that brightens up any room. Okay, and I feel like, again, you know, it could be things that they like about you as well. Okay, as well as themselves trying to kind of give you a hint or a clue to help you to know who they are. We have facial hair. Okay, strong arms that makes you feel safe and cherished. Strong arms. So there's a lot of energy about protection, feeling safe, and perhaps that could be something that they feel like they've let you down. I feel like there's an energy of that they feel like they've let you down. Okay, let's let's pull out the tarot, Simply Deep Tarot, and see why is that message here. So can we clarify the Three of Swords, please, for channeled messages? Okay, we have the Seven of Wands. So I feel like this person is now taking that time to reflect and is wishing that they took the time, took the opportunity to defend, to fight for this. I feel like, again, you know how we said earlier that there could be like maybe third parties, friends, or other people who may have not had the best interest. And I feel like there may have been some oversharing, over explaining, and this may have also led to more than one people being in the relationship. okay? And I feel like this could have also impacted on time, prioritizing time, setting healthy boundaries, okay? And I feel like there's a strong regret here, okay? And someone wishes that they took on the energy of the 701, because look what's going on in 701s. It's like back off, back off, back off, back off from left, right, center. Okay, this person's protecting their turf. They're protecting their boundaries. You step back. You step back. This is me and my partner. This is me and my woman. This is me and my man. Okay, this is the energy I'm getting here. If you are not in this union, you have no business getting involved in mine. Okay, this is the energy that I'm getting. Like someone's like, you know, you are my lady, my love. You're everything I need and more. You are my lady. Okay, I think that's Freddie Jackson. You are my lady. So that may be also significant to someone as well. Okay. What else do they want you to know? Okay, what else do they want you to know? Let's have a look. Oh, we have, look at this. We have the Ten of Swords now. This finger, the intuitive finger is pulling. Let's have a look and see. Look at this. Look at this. This is again the energy of harvesting, the energy of investing. Now, we have the 7. We've seen 7s twice. Okay, so there could be an energy of like, you may be seeing 77s, you may be seeing 7s. Okay, and I feel like this is an energy of someone still like contemplating, wishing that they did more, wishing that they can come forward and say how they feel. Okay, again, it's this energy of protection, defending. I feel like this is what they wish that they did more of. Okay, especially with this 10 of Swords, it's like this person is now, I feel like this energy of everything that they ignored is now impacting them from this relationship or from this union, or things that they've ignored. Okay, because it's like now the swords, all of this pain, and that could have been also the pain that some of you may have felt of this kind of like perhaps feeling ignored, feeling like, I feel like maybe at times it just felt like it was a very one-sided relationship, and now that this separation has made them feel that way now, for some of you, okay? Or this feeling of regret, okay? What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? Okay, we have, look, death. So I feel like this is an energy of they want to start again. They want to start anew, start afresh. If you see like what's going on here, it's like this energy of like starting anew. Okay, starting anew. Let's see what's significant at the front and the back. Okay, look, yes. So there could have been some conflict, there could have been some arguments. Okay. There could have been some kind of form of like, I feel like it could have also been trust, like an issue of trust. Okay. Now I feel like this wants to pop out Knight of Wands. There could have been some kind of player energy. Perhaps there's someone could have been like not being honest, not being truthful. Again, this third party, there could have been a cheating issue here as well. I'm seeing 1111 currently while this is being filmed. So this could have been, I feel like there could have been some kind of message that could come, or some kind of like something that you may have learned recently as well. Now we have, look, this Ace of Coins in reverse. Okay, look at what's going on in the imagery. Okay, so it's like you to me, me to you. But this is, again, I'm getting this energy of there was a one-sidedness. It wasn't a collaborative energy going on here. Okay. Now, I feel like this is also trying to pop up. We have the 10 of Wands, because look, there's lots of 10s. And I feel like this could have been, it could have resulted to like a dramatic end for some of you. Or now this person is realizing, wow, look at all the burden that I I put on Jane. Now look at me. And I feel like the weight is pulling them again back to that, back to this energy of the crab in a barrel. They're getting pulled back. They're getting pulled back. And I feel like it could have been whatever they were dwelling on, it's now, they kind of manifested it into their own lives. Okay? And I'm also getting the message of kind of like someone saying, I told you so. And not even like in a way of an arrogant way, but it's kind of like a message that perhaps someone didn't want to listen when you was trying to give them some really good advice. Right, so look, we've got Thrill Seeker that came up. Thrill Seeker. Okay? So, we're going to look into this deck. Okay? The fact that the messages are already trying to come through. Ciao. But we're going to have a look and see what wants to come up through this deck. So these are like also additional like physical characteristics, hobbies and interests, things they may want to say to you, as well as from the divine masculine to the divine feminine. Okay, so let's have a look. We have my heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, damn, you're fine. So they still have, they still have this attraction for you. I can't wait to see where our journey takes us. Okay. Your energy alone brings me a sense of calm and comfort. So this person could still, still hoping that there may be a chance for this to repair. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. Okay. Again, this is definitely this energy of like this person's recognizing. Okay, I feel a spark every time we touch. It's hard to ignore. They could be an avid traveler. Okay, it's like they're trying to give you more clues. The confident stride. What else do they want you to know? So the divine masculine to the divine feminine. The M to the DF. Our separation really helped me to see you deserved so much more. Look at this. They're really coming through. Really coming through. Any more messages before we come to the end of this mini pick a card? We have, I can't help but feel a deep connection when you are in my presence. I wish I could express how much you mean to me. So you could be still seeing this person from time to time, and it's almost like they're still in awe when they see you. Okay, they're still in awe. Okay. So, last but not least, we're going to have a look at these playing cards. Okay. And have a look and see what kind of significant keywords they want you to know right now. Let's have a look. What significant keywords from these value playing cards do you want them to know right now? Okay, we have, look at this, the 8 of Swords. And we have the 4 of Hearts, so the 4 of Cups, okay? So the 8 of Swords and the 4 of Cups is giving this feeling of like, they hope. It's like I feel like it's like giving a hope that they're hoping that one day maybe you'll come back to them. Okay, but we have like dignity, self-esteem, self-respect, self-worth. Okay, and I feel like perhaps you could have been taking an opportunity on working on your self-worth, self-value, working on yourself and your own boundaries and just loving on yourself. And I feel like they're appreciating all of those things. We have articulateness, clarity, clear-mindedness, lucidity, simplicity. So this person could also be recognizing this, and they have the time. I feel like there's time. There could have been some separation of some sort where they're having the time now to realize everything and see everything in a clear matter, as well as appreciate the importance of building stability and taking action on that. Okay, with the 4, because the 4 representing that security, stability, and the energy of 8 represents the energy of taking action, doing. Okay, not just saying you're going to do it. And I feel like this could have been what what could have happened of saying but not practicing that in their actions. Okay, so I'm getting like walk talk they talk but they didn't walk the walk. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here and leave it with this message here, that our separation really helped me to see that you deserve, and darling, honey, know that you deserve so much more. Okay, so to the collective who chose pile one, I hope the messages are resonating with you. And you know what we like to do around here, and wherever you go to watch tarot readings, take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This is Jamaican Power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, stay blessed, keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan my generals. So we have pile two, okay? And we are looking into the question, channeled messages from your person, as part of this mini pick a card reading, okay? So I hope you've got some snacks or some juice just to keep you going into these reads. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tarot. Come and join the Love and Light family. Right, are you ready for these juicy, intuitive reads? All right, let's get into it. And do have a look on the live tab for our Summer of Love pick a card readings that are available for the rest of the summer every Sunday, UK time, 6 p.m. Okay? Right, so the readings are also recorded, pre-recorded, as it just allows a really good way to communicate with the collective, okay? All right, so channeled messages from your person. We have the Four of Swords. So someone could be thinking really heavily about you right now. And we also have the Two of Swords here. So they're really stuck in their thoughts, in their feelings, okay? And those thoughts are impacting their feelings, because I feel like there could be a lot of like energy of like reflection. There could also be someone might be unwell, because this can also represents that it could also represent a period of someone's taking some time to think on their actions, okay? But I feel like with the Two of Swords being here is like someone's knowing that they have to go and make a decision. Okay, there's a choice, and I feel like it could also be like the message I'm getting. There's consequences to every choice, or consequences, whether they can be good or bad. But I feel like this person is recognizing that, I feel like there's a strong energy of karma here. Okay, so let's pull out a Jamaican proverb and see what the Jamaican proverb wants the collective to know right now regarding this situation. Oh, we got two. So we have the doppy know who fi frighten. The doppy know who fi frighten. Now, the doppy in Jamaican culture, it just represents like a ghost or a spirit, and it's the idea that a ghost or a kind of like an intimidating spirit. It can also be like in people as well, will try to or attempt to intimidate those who they feel are less, who are more vulnerable to them, okay, or who they may deem as weak, okay. Now we have this as like bullies. They may pick on people who are most vulnerable. So it's this energy of protecting and guarding yourself, okay? And we have here, if you can't get your hand in a devil mouth, take it out. So if you can't get your hand out of a devil mouth, take it out. So sorry, if you get your hand in a devil mouth, take it out. So if you have if you get your hand stuck in a devil's mouth, take it out. Okay, and I feel like this is in the energy of, you know, we'll read this here. Be careful, be cautious in getting out of difficult situations. Seek help where you can. Now I feel like, because especially we've seen the Four of Swords, we've seen the Two of Swords, then we're having this energy of like a duck who knows who to frighten. Then we have um getting yourself, if you're finding yourself stuck, you've got to kind of find your way, even maybe using your due diligence, or being very strategic in how you maneuver in this situation. And I feel like for some of you, this person there could have been some argument, there could have been some disagreement. And I feel like this person is also trying to work out what's the best way to deal with the situation. Okay. And I feel like there could have been some time, there could have been a break between you two, or it could have led to a break. Okay. Now I feel like there's a lot of similar messages as well coming through that was similar to pile one. So I feel like pile one, and it could be one of those reads where like the channeled messages of your person is coming through in all of the reads. Okay, and that tends to happen. It's almost like pile one, they start off with giving you some messages, then pile two, they like give you some more, and then pile three, it's like, okay, I've put everything on the table. Okay, so we're gonna see if it is like that. But I feel like this person is, I'm getting a lot of like sitting, thinking, trying to gather all the dots together. And it could be also, I feel like there could be something that's not aligned with the relationship or the disunion. It could be something like, perhaps it could be some behavior patterns. It can also be like they want to settle down, or they say they want to settle down, but yet it's still living. I'm getting like still kind of living the player life, or still kind of not really prioritizing, not putting a lot of energy in what they say they're going to do or follow through with things. And I feel like this is kind of the energy of as well why this message is here. It's like they're still playing with fire. Okay, you can't have this energy of wanting to say you want to be in a stable and secure relationship, yet still be playing and still be acting indecisive and like you don't know what you want. Okay, this is what I'm getting here. Okay, so we're gonna have a look and see what other additional messages wants to come through for the collective. Let's start with this new deck. Okay, it has physical characteristics, okay, things that they may have also noticed that you observed about them. Okay, so we're gonna have a look. So it could also come through like, vice versa, where it could be things that they like about you, or also things that they're trying to give you clues on what it is that you like or are fond of or admire about them as well. Okay, so for the collective, we chose pile two. Let's see what channeled messages wants to come through from your person. Channeled messages from your person. Okay, channeled messages. We have here brown hair, so they could have brown hair. We have blonde hair, okay? We have a captivating scent that lingers long after he's gone. Ooh wee, okay? We have tall, okay? So they could be tall. We have a gentle touch that conveys both strength and tenderness. A gentle touch. Perhaps this person could be very gentle, and that could be a clue that maybe they are the type of person that can get used by others, okay? And I feel like there's still a similar message here to pile one, where it could have been naysayers, people who don't have their best interests at heart, and perhaps you could have also been privy to this, or you could have seen this, and it could be something that you kind of may have questioned maybe perhaps even some of their friendship groups, okay, and whether they were truly had their best interests at heart. We have a casual yet stylish sense of fashion that is uniquely his own. Okay. We have strong, broad shoulders that offer a sense of protection. So strong, broad shoulders that offers a sense of protection. We have facial hair. So they may have some kind of facial hair, whether it's a goatee, a moustache, okay, some stubble, okay. Okay, look at this. We have sparkling eyes that reflect his sense of wonder. Okay, curly hair. So they could have curly hair, and it could not be any type of curly hair. We have strong arms that makes you feel safe and cherished. Expressive eyebrows that convey a range of emotions. Now, I feel like this person from Power One is also coming through in Power Two, because a lot of the messages are coming through are like very similar to what was coming through in Power One. Look at this. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you looking at me, and I know you're drawn to my strong, broad shoulders that give you a sense of protection, eyes that seem to hold the secrets of the universe. Now, I feel like this is could be, for some of you, it's the same, go and have a look at Power One. Go and have a look at Power One also. Okay, let's have a look. What else do they want you to know? We have, ooh, so they could have locks. They could have like in the black community we call it locks, but others can know it as dreadlocks as well. Okay, so they could have locks. We have short hair. We have I see you looking at me. Again, there's this energy of like even some intuitive energy here. I see you looking at me, and I know my confident and relaxed posture makes you feel at ease in my presence. Okay, we have someone could have braces. Okay, they may have braces. They could be plus size. Okay, so someone could be plus size here. We have this person could also be older than you. Okay, let's see what else they want to let you know. What else do they want to let you know? Ooh, these channeled messages coming through. So we have here fair skin. Okay, so they could be of like a lighter skin complexion. We have deep, soulful eyes that reveal a world of emotions. Okay, we have tousled hair that seems to dance in the wind. Okay, we have I see you looking at me, and I know you are enchanted by my warm and genuine smile that lights up my face when I see you. Okay, one more shuffle. Let's see what else wants to come out. Channeled messages. Ooh, okay, thank you. We have here a voice that is deep and soothing, like a calming melody. Calming melody. Right, now we're going to clarify with the tarot and have a look and see what's going on with this person. So for the collective who chose pile 2, what's going on? Why is the 4 of Swords and the 2 of Swords here? Okay, we have, look. Look at this. You can't make this up. Collective, go and have a read, listen and watch pile 1, because this is the same energy that came up when we clarified and to find out what was going on with pile 1. And it's this energy here. There's a strong energy of someone wanting to defend, someone wanting to step up, someone wanting to, I'm getting the message of like facing their demons or facing like anything. It could be even like maybe they're wanting to start in the future with you, and it could also be people trying to hold them back. okay, past energies that are no longer aligned with them, trying to hold them back, as well as kind of put a damper or destroy what they have with you, okay? But look at this. This is the same energy that came out. Let's have a look, because we have, look, the Three of Cups here. They want to embrace this. There could also, perhaps, maybe some of you, there could have been discussions of wanting to have a baby, or there could be a baby, okay? Or so, or there could be an energy of a child. Perhaps there could, for some of you, it could be like someone has a child and going to like a, or wanting or have wanting the desire to go into a blended family. There could be an energy of, perhaps I'm getting, someone's going through a divorce or going through the divorce proceedings and is wanting things to finalize, or wanting to make sure things are finalized so it's not creating any issues. Oh, look at this. We have the Death card in reverse. And this is the same energy that came out in pile one. But this time it's in reverse. So I feel like this could be an energy that maybe someone still hasn't done the work. Okay. It could also mean that they don't want to start anew. Okay. And perhaps they want to still work on this, or find a way of how they can overcome. Let's now feel drawn to pull from the middle, because look, we have, I feel like the energy here is kind of like they can, if the, the energy I'm getting is that they can take action on this. It isn't to say like the divine timing could be in play. There could be some delay, and that could be what could be. Perhaps it could be also whether lessons haven't been fully learnt yet, and they need to take that time to, especially as we've seen the Four of Swords earlier, that they really need to make sure that they have done what they say they're going to do. Because I feel like it could have been an energy of waiting for this person to change, waiting for this person to take the lead. But I feel like the energy is like, perhaps you could have been doing a lot of this defending. It's now their time to do it. It's their time to cut this energy of, oh, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait until the time's right. I'm going to wait until the time's right before I go and say how I feel to somebody who, maybe has kind of not always given me been the best, who's always given me the best, or support or advice. Like, I'm gonna find the time, or I'm gonna just find the time to get things done. And I feel like it's like, no, this person has to take action now. This person has to take the action, because then it's gonna show how serious they are in regards to this union. Okay. What else do you want? What else do you want the collective to know? What else do you want this collective? What do you want the collective to know? We have, look at this. So we have the Lovers, and the Lovers can represent the energy of choices. So there has to be a choice that needs. There's a choice that needs to be made here, and I feel like this is again this energy of how much. The song that's coming to mind is a song by Mace. I can't remember the female artist, but I'm getting, tell me what you want from me. Look at me and what you see. Let me know it's feel right here. Okay, this is the energy I'm getting. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want from me. You got to make a choice. You got to make a decision. Are you there to play? Or are you there to, like, I feel like this is the energy that someone has to come forward and be real. Keep it real. At the end, right now, they're not making a choice. It's like, they've got to take their hand out the devil's mouth. They've got to take the action. They've got to show you how serious they are, okay, regarding this union. So we are going to pull out a couple of messages from this deck, okay? So it could be some characteristics, physical characteristics, things they may want to say. Look at this. I'm drawn to your kindness and compassion. I'm drawn to your kindness and compassion. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? And it's funny as well. It's number two. Pile two always seems to draw the energy of someone has to make a choice, someone has to make a decision. Okay? Your voice is like a beautiful melody that lingers in my mind. And this could be, again, they're thinking. Look at this with the Four of Swords. Let's see if I can pull it out. There's a lot of this energy of thinking, okay? But they got to start doing now. Fitness enthusiast. So they could be a fitness enthusiast. They could have straight hair. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? We have piercing gaze, sports enthusiast, passionate about volunteering and giving back. Okay, dimples. Music lover with a diverse taste. What else do they want you to know? Muscular build. They could be tech savvy and into gadgets. Any messages from their higher self? We've got fit and toned physique. And we have the thought of being without you is something that I have worried about. Okay. Message from their higher self. Feels like something wanted to come out. You have a unique ability to make my problems disappear with a single glance. Okay. I'm going to have a look at these two that want to pop out here. We have infectious laughter, and your touch ignites a fire within me I can't ignore. So I feel like your energy is really shifting something right now. Okay, we're going to have a look at these value cards as last but not least. Okay, and just have a look at what keywords come to mind when they think of you. So for the collective who chose pile 2, what keywords come to mind when they think of you? Ooh, okay, one fell on the lap. We have the Seven of Wands. Sorry, the Seven of Swords. Okay. Now the Seven of Swords can be this energy of like something sneaky. Okay, in the Seven of Swords, but the keywords here we have conformity, order, orderliness, organization, structure. So I feel like this could be the energy of them knowing that they have to make a choice. I feel like it could also be with your energy. It's like a smooth sailing energy, and I feel like it's also alignment energy that this person knows that if they want to kind of, and I feel like this could be applied to some of you, if they want to keep this going, they've got to step up. They've got to step up. Okay. We have autonomy. Okay, so the King of Swords again, this energy of clarity. Okay, autonomy, independency, self-determination, self-reliance, self-sufficiency. And I feel like this is the energy of Doppy know who for fighting. They've got to get clear and stop being led by others. I feel like there could be an energy that this person is being led by others. They need to lead. They need to take the lead. The Five of Cups, the Five of Hearts, okay? We have this energy, authenticity, candor, frankness, honesty, integrity, truth, okay? I feel like these are the energies that come to mind. And it could also be like, the Five of Cups can also represent, or the Five of Hearts can represent that energy of like mourning a loss, but then at the same time, not looking beyond that loss and seeing that there's still a blessing, there's still things to be thankful for. Okay, we have the King of Wands, this energy of creativity, the energy of taking action. And look, we have fostering, growth, improving, learning, nurturing. And I feel like this is the energy that this person needs to take, the sense of courage. They need to be that courageous lion. Okay, take the lead. And I'm getting the message from the one and only Bob Marley. Get up, stand up for your right. Okay, don't give up the fight. Okay, so we're gonna leave it here. So, for the collective who chose pile two, I hope the messages are resonating. And you know what we like to do around here? Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. And it's just Jamaican power, and it simply means this is how it goes around here. So be sure to look good, feel good, okay? Stay feeling irie. Keep sipping, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan. Wagwan people, Wagwan tea sippers, Wagwan me generals. So we have pile three, okay? So we are looking into the channeled messages from your person. So if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to Wagwan Tara and Tea. Okay, come and join the Love and Light family. And I hope you have a nice cup of tea or some beverage. So whilst we gather these intuitive and juicy messages, okay? And do have a look on the live tab for the Summer of Love pick a card readings available every Sunday, UK time, 6 p.m. Okay, and they're available for the rest of the summer. Okay, let's see. Wagwan. Okay, so we have the Death cards. Now I feel like seeing pile one, seeing pile two, and now we're going into pile three. I feel like this person, this and it could be this person on your mind, they're coming through in every single reading. Now, I did mention this in pile two that sometimes we have reads where it's like the person is trying to communicate. It's almost like it's as we're looking into the reads, it's like we're kind of opening up this person for them to kind of just right. This is what I want to say right now. Okay, we've gone through the stages of like feeling more comfortable, and I feel like this person is now this is kind of like the energy of like this is what I want. And you might think what death, and it's like yes, death is the energy, it's an illusion, darling. Okay, but what they want is new. Think of the seasons. We have autumn, and autumn things starts to wither away. Things starts to go orange, okay? Because the sun is now going to bed, let's say, and we're having more energy of the moon. Okay, so not so much sunlight, okay, and then that makes things start to wither. But then that creates a process of transformation, okay, as we get into the winter, and then the season after winter is spring, things brightens up again. And I feel like this person wants a new season with you. They want a new start with you. They want new vibrant energy with you. They want to put to bed all the issues or anything that has been left unresolved. They want to put that to one side. They want that to basically be like put that to bed, and and do that healing, do that collective healing, so that way you can repair and repatch things, but on a fresh start. I'm kind of getting this energy as well. This person could have also been contemplating, okay, how like maybe even like practicing like a new date where you act as if you don't know each other. Okay, I feel like they maybe having those kind of thoughts of trying to say, right, let's start something. How about we go on a date together? And hi, nice to meet you, my name is, okay, this is what I'm getting. Okay, so let's have a look now with the Jamaican proverbs. As you know, the Jamaican proverbs is our staple at Wagwan Tara and Tea. Because our channel is themed around the Jamaican energy around the tarot via the one and only Pamela Coleman Smith, as she designed these cards, okay? But she also has a strong connection to Jamaica, growing up in Jamaica. And intuitively, I just kept looking at the cards, and I just kept getting this message. Why is the cards I'm seeing a lot of like Jamaican influences in the cards, only to find out that Pamela Coleman Smith, who created these cards, grew up in Jamaica. And then I thought it's making sense. Hey, so this is why we love to use the Jamaican proverbs as well as use the Rider Waite Smith, as is in honor to big up Pamela. Okay, to big up Pamela. Okay, every time, yeah. So every time we talk about Pamela, I always get a smile, like she's, like, just really thankful. Okay, so let's have a look at Jamaican proverbs, as well as big up the collective as well. Big up the collective. Okay, right. So look at the message that we have. We have how water. I'm gonna say just in the translation. How does water get into the pumpkin belly? How does that? How does the juices? How does the fluids float and make that big, magnificent shape? Okay. Now in Jamaican patois, how water a walk go in a pumpkin belly? How water walk go? A walk go. Okay. This means how does it walk go into the belly of the pumpkin? How does it do that? So it's the energy of mystery. It's the energy of query. Okay. It's the energy of how does this happen? Okay, so think of the high priestess. Okay, this is like this energy of like there could be a lot of intuitive energy trying to question or trying to figure out something. Okay, or trying to seek the answers of for something. Okay, and I feel like this person is trying to work out this now. Like it could also be they're trying to work out you, where you stand. Okay, and also trying to maybe for them to get clear on where they stand as well before they make a move. Okay, so let's have a look now at this the deck, the new deck that has been created with physical characteristics regarding this person on your mind, this person that's really trying to come through in these channeled messages. Okay, things that they may want you to know, or things that may resonate, or it can also be maybe things that they are fond of you as well. But we'll see, what does this person want you to know right now? Okay, we have I see you looking at me, and I know you are enchanted by my warm and genuine smile that lights up that lights up my face when I see you. So a song that's coming to mind is I think it's singing something. It's a dancehall reggae song, and it goes, "When I see you smile, I get a sudden light. Oh," I can't remember the rest of it, but I just know it's "When I see you smile." And another one that's coming as well. It's like a '90s track. I love your smile. So if you do know the artist, put it in the comments down below. Okay. But I feel like this person gets this warm feeling. Okay. This warm feeling. Ooh la la. Okay, let's see what else wants to come out. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? Okay. We have here that frames his face like a work of art. So here that frames his face like a work of art. This could be another clue they're trying to give to you. They could have pale skin, okay? And I feel like it could be any complexion, whether it's like white skin, like brown skin, black skin, or like dark skinned. It could be maybe on the paler side, okay, or lighter skin. We have black hair, so they may have black hair, okay. We have ombre hair. They could have ombre hair. Well, this could also be something in your energy, or something that perhaps you've talked about, or it could be, I feel like this person could be just trying to give you some clues on who they are, and it could also be clues on who you are, and trying to see if they can try and gather that as well, right? So we have strong, broad shoulders that offer a sense of protection. So this person can have really strong, broad shoulders, and it could be something that you're quite attracted to, okay? And I guess it could be that feeling of like that sense of protection. Okay, let's see what else they look at this. Ooh, I see you. I see you looking at me, and I know you're captivated by the way my well defined jawline adds a touch of rugged charm. Ooh la la. Ooh la la. What else do they want you to know? We have a voice that is deep and soothing, like a calming melody. I feel like the message I'm getting is like this person knows exactly what to say and to kind of get you in this state, okay? Even if it's not what they say, it could be their tone, it could be the frequency from their voice. Okay, we have clean shaven, so this person can also be clean shaven for some of you, okay? Okay. What else do they want you to know? We have full lips. So someone can have full lips here. This could be something they admire about you. It could also, they have full lips as well. Now, I feel like the intuitive finger's trying to pull. Yes, it is. Look at this. We have hair that seems to change color with the light. Okay. And we have a captivating scent that lingers long after he's gone. Ooh, wee, okay. And I feel like it's a feel good, smell good. Like it's feel good, it smells good. But I feel like it's a kind of like a feeling, like a smell that makes you like, oh my, oh my, oh my, yes indeed, oh my. So we got this person may have facial body piercings, okay, where it could be like an ear piercing, nose piercing, okay, it could be an eyebrow piercing, a lip piercing, okay. They could yeah, so they could have like a facial or body piercing, okay, or you could have it could be also you that has a facial or body piercing. Now bear with me because I feel like a sip is going on because what has happened to my voice, okay. Okay, that's so much better. Look at that. Okay, I see you looking at me, and I know my tousled hair gives off that casual yet captivating vibe. You can't resist. Ooh la la. Look at that. I see you looking at me, and I know an intense, expressive eyes have caught your attention, communicating a depth you want to explore. This person, look at they're really coming through. But now it's like a confidence. They look, they have this energy here. So someone could have tattoos. They could perhaps you have tattoos or they have tattoos. Okay. What else do they want you to know? 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 So we have, they could be younger than you. They could be the same age. Okay, okay. We have brown hair. We have a confident, graceful posture that exudes self-assuredness. Okay, we have, look at this mysterious. Look at this. The Jamaican clue is here. The Jamaican proverb, mystery. Again, it's like this energy of mystery. The song that's coming to mind is a song by Maxi Priest, reggae artist, and Shaggy. That girl, ooh, that kind of girl, that girl, ooh, that kind of girl. And it was this energy of this song. The song was about this energy of this woman who's mysterious and captivating. Okay. Ooh wee wee. We have mysterious eyes that hold an air of intrigue. playful dimples that appear when he grins. I see you looking at me, and I know you're intrigued by my tone and athletic physique that reflects a vitality we can share. Vitality that we can share, eh? Ooh, wait. Okay, let's see what else they want you to know about them. What else? Come through, come through. Look at that. I see you looking at me, and I know you find that touch of stubble on my face or my well-groomed beard quite alluring. Look at this. So there could have been a sense of maybe it's kind of like touched your skin in some way. Probably you've touched it, and you felt very attractive towards it. Okay, or the sense of attractive and energy towards it. They could have blonde hair, expressive eyebrows that convey a range of emotions. So this message has come through in all of the reads. Okay, we have a birthmark, so this person may have a birthmark. Okay, let's see what else they want you to know. What else do they? Ooh, okay, okay. We have a gentle touch that conveys both strength and tenderness. I feel like this could be the energy where the mystery is. Okay, we have this person could also be older than you. Okay, and we have I see you looking at me again. I feel like this person intuitively is like I feel like this connection can be very intuitive, and perhaps this is where the mystery is lying, because there's a strong energy of mystery, and I feel like it could be that well, if you're watching this, it's again, we're gathering channeled messages, but I feel like this person is also intuitively sensing that you have feelings and they have feelings. Okay, I see you looking at me, and I know you're enticed by the depth of my voice, resonating with every word I speak to you. Ooh wee, ooh la la. What else do they want you to know? Any other messages? Any other messages? Okay, so we have short hair. They could be stocky. Strong arms that make you feel safe and cherished. Okay. We have straight hair. Okay. We have I see you looking at me, and I know you appreciate my hands. Oh, wee. Yet gentle, but capable of both protection and tenderness. Wee. So we are going to have a look at these messages, okay? So there's some more physical characteristics, messages here, hobbies and interests, some messages from the divine masculine to the divine feminine, and things they just may want to say to you, okay? So let's have a look and see. For the collective, you chose power 3. Channeled messages from your person. Let's see what wants to come out. Okay. Oh, we have distinctive tattoos. Okay. Look at this. Expressive eyebrows has come out again. We have sports enthusiast. So this person could be a sports enthusiast, music lover with a diverse taste. Now I believe this came out for pile 2. Let's see what else is here. Look at this. The higher self is coming through. The divine masculine to the divine feminine. My higher self wants you to know that my inner child feels safe with you. This is what they want you to know. What else do they want you to know? Okay, what else they want you to know? Alluring sense. And I feel like this is part of the mystery as well. Ooh wee, some fell on the floor. Bear with me. Bear with me. Look, there's a lot of energy. I get nervous around you because my feelings are real. Right, quick. All of this Messages we have: your touch ignites a fire within me that I can't ignore. Muscular build. Muscular build. Okay, what else do we have? You make me feel alive in every way. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? Tall. They could be tall. Okay, we have: your smile and laughter is like music to me, and I love looking at your smile and seeing your smile. This person could have an interest in yoga or meditation. This could be something that you may have an interest as well, and they may know about it. Enjoys painting and artwork. Your laugh makes my heart skip a beat. Ooh wee. Okay, look at these coming through. They could be a car enthusiast. My heart skips a beat when I see you. In fact, every time I see you, damn, you're fine. You make even the most ordinary and more mundane moments feel amazing. I appreciate the way you look at me like I am the only one in the room when I have something to say. Okay, so we are going to have a look at the tarot now and see what messages wants to come through. Can we clarify some of the messages that we have here for pile 3? So channeled messages from your person, the person on your mind. What do they want to let you know right now? Okay, regarding the death. 7 of coins, so the 7 of pentacles. I feel like this could be the energy that wherever you've left off, they want to grow. They want that to continue. They want to build. They want to start anew, and they want things to flourish again. They want things to flourish. Okay? Look at all that beautiful fruit and flowers flourishing, okay? What else do they want you to know? We can have a look and see what's significant at the front and the back. Oy, 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 oy. Perhaps this person, they could also have taken some time to wanting to build on what they have, okay? With the 9 of Pentacles, or becoming more secure, financially independent, okay? We have the 2 of Swords. So I feel like the 2 of Swords could also be this energy that this person wants to start. Like, I feel like it could have also making choices, and as well as just wanting to start anew, wishing that they had. I feel like I'm getting the energy of wishing they were a lot quicker with making their decisions, and I feel like they recognize those decisions have caused delay in the union, delay in coming together and saying how they truly feel. Now, this could be a love interest, a crush, an ex is also that's popping through. Okay, and I'm getting wish I coulda shoulda. Well, wish coulda shoulda. We have the Queen of Cups, and I feel like this is your energy that they admire. They admire. Yes, honey. Look, just notice the little detail here with the T. Yes, yes, collective. T super collective. The Generals collective. Okay, look at that. Look at that. What else do they want you to know? What else do they want you to know? And it's funny, there's been a lot of energy of 7s throughout the reads. So you may be seeing this energy of 7. It could be also this, representing that energy of they've had some time to contemplate, to overview, to like see the bigger picture of things, and now they're recognizing it. Okay. Ooh, let's have a look. Look at that, the Queen of Wands, and I feel like the energy is like, sorry, the Queen of Pentacles. Okay, I feel like they see you as like you have so much potential, so much joy, so much growth. We saw the 9 of Pentacles before, so I feel like this could be this energy of seeing you as someone that they can grow with, flourish with. Okay, but I feel like it's also they're admired by you, the mystery of you as well. Okay, what else do they want you to know? We have the 6 of Swords, yeah, and the 4 of Pentacles. So I feel like this is the energy of getting out of this stuck feeling of oh, I don't want to walk away from this. I don't want to leave this. I want to say how I feel. And I know I need to, maybe old habits may have die hard, but I need to get over these kind of like feelings that have kind of held me back in saying how I truly feel when it comes to our union. Okay? So we are going to look at, last but not least, these keywords on these playing cards. When they think of you, what comes to mind? Okay, so let's have a look. When they think of you, what comes to mind? We have the Knight of Swords. Okay, so look at this. Did we say earlier about this person seeing you and like someone that they can flourish with? We have commitment here, dedication, duty, fidelity, loyalty. This is what they see when they think of you. What else do they see? Okay, we have accuracy, three of wands. This is the energy of growth, expansion, travel. Okay, accuracy, meticulousness, neatness, precision. Okay, any more? Ooh, okay, we have the Eight of Pentacles. Or the Eight of Diamonds. This is the energy of taking action, working on things, growth. This is what they're hoping for. They have this hope and optimism, willingness, wanting to figure out how does the water go into that pumpkin of that belly? How does it grow into a magical fruit? Okay, that could nourish one's soul, nourish one's spirit. How? They have that hope and they believe that they can have that hope with you, okay? And that you can both enjoy the world's wonders and the world's mysteries together. So we're going to leave that here, okay? But to the collective who chose Power 3, do have a look at Power 1, Power 2, because I feel like you can gather all of those juicy intuitive gems and take the messages that resonate. And you know what we like to do around here? Yes, darling. Yes, honey. Take what resonates and leave the rest. I saw it go. I saw it go. This simply means in Jamaican patois, I saw it go. This is how it goes around here. Okay, so be sure to look good, feel good, keep sipping, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the next one. Wagwan.